Our news, few news. Now, first of all, New Year is coming, Christmas is coming, and I know that investing sometimes it could be very lonely, like an activity. You sit at home, you analyze reports, you don't meet real people. We're going to organize investment like Christmas picnic. So all investors, regardless if you invest in the stock market or you're just thinking about it, or maybe a property investor, business investor, you're very welcome to come, because we already had one similar event, and everyone liked it, and it was pretty fun to meet new people, to talk about not beer and surfing and stuff like that. Of course about it as well, but you can share your knowledge, you can share your experience, you can share your ideas about future market, right? So it is a very good environment. Maybe you'll find a friend, and after that you can keep in touch together. So we're going to run it in Cook's Park, so in exactly the same place where we were before, maybe different location within the park, depends on what we manage to book on the day. And if you want to register, just make a screenshot of this particular and then go to this website, eventbrite.com.au, and this is the link. Actually, if you want, I can probably, if you want, I can copy it right now and put it in the chat. Okay, so if you let me know. And also, I believe that we actually sent it in our database. So if you already provided email to our database, we're going to email it to everybody, if already not emailed it, so you can register there. Now, then on 8th and 10th of January, we're going to run a financial mastery bootcamp. Guys, it's a 3-day event where we're going to look through your financial goals, for your financial barriers, for a lot of interesting things, how to change the amount of money you make now, what kind of projects you're going to choose. So if you want to know more about this particular bootcamp, so just follow this link as well, and just read more about it. If you have any questions about this bootcamp, you can call. There is a phone call to organizer. We ran an event, the masterclass last time about the goal settings, and then the end of this masterclass I was talking about this particular bootcamp, so you can also go and review it as well. Now remember, the prices for that bootcamp was like the special offer was until this Monday, but we decided to increase because this masterclass is run a bit later, so we decided to keep it until 23rd. So the special discounted price only for 1 week, so after that the price will go up. So be careful about that. So if you want to spend some time with a fellow who focus on the same goals as you are and set your own financial goals and probably set up the plan, so definitely come to this bootcamp. Fantastic environment. We used to run those events overseas in Thailand, in Turkey. This time we're going to run in Australia because we cannot go anywhere, right? We're in a lockdown. And after that, we're going to set, it's called Wealth Master Bootcamp Elite Mastermind Group. So a lot of people asked me before already, let's create a mastermind group. And I am a member of one particular mastermind group for my business colleagues. But this time I'm going to create another one. So it's only 10 people, not more than 10 people going to be there. So I just won't be able to take, I'm personally going to be part of that mastermind group. So if somebody wants to join it, it's on the same web page. You will learn about this mastermind group and how to join it. All right, guys, if you have any questions right now, please ask. All right, guys, do you have any questions regarding this masterclass? Plus thumbs if you liked it. And
Igor,
yes,
thank you very much. Interesting as always. I want to share that at first, last time you were talking about Discovery Company,
yeah,
and I already made some money on the wave.
that's fantastic.
Exactly one wave happened after previous masterclass. And I also wanted to ask you, what do you think about Alibaba? It's a huge Chinese company and it's dropping in price right now.
There would be a lot of Chinese companies dropping in price now. And but again, so analyze fundamental analysis. Alibaba is a huge business. It's huge business. Probably the reason why, because what they do, it's a platform for wholesalers. And a lot of people trade through this platform. Because they general trade over the globe kind of slowed down. So I presume this platform also lost some revenue on that. And of course, it's same as like any other platform where you're selling, like shopping centers, right? Because people moving out, they have vacant spaces there, so they earn less money. So Alibaba, it's like a platform which facilitates the trades between different businesses. So if the general trade drops down, so what happens for the platform? The most important question you have to ask, what is going to be in the future when now they're going to introduce this vaccine? Is it going to stay on that low level, or is it going to pick up back again? And if it's going to pick up back again, so what happens with the price?
Yeah, we'll grow back up.
Okay, so, but of course you need to analyze the real reasons, because I haven't looked at the Alibaba like specifically, but that's what I understand from general economy, what happens, and knowing what Alibaba is doing.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. And it's good that you made money.
Yes, it was very, very exciting.
Hi, Igor. Thanks a lot for the session. This is the first time I've joined this. Some interesting concepts here from a share market perspective. I was just wondering, because I'm a bit new to the share market, do you also cover property investing as well as part of your sessions periodically, or is it more, because I'm a property investor here in Sydney, so I was wondering if your focus is more on the share market side?
Okay, personally, I always invest in stock market. I have some properties as well in my portfolio. Now, the thing is that we've invited already one particular speaker, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce more guys, because, for example, I'm investing here in Australia in a development. So what we do, we buy as a group land, and after we get planning permission, and then we build. Very good strategy. We have very good partners. And in total, we have projects now for probably $600 million in total, different projects. So, and my plan is to introduce them into my network as well, because a lot of investors, they're not only investing in the stock market, but also in property. Okay, so if you want me to link to those guys, you can send me like the email after that, so I can send you the projects which we have right now. And we also run monthly meetings where they introduce different projects, because some projects are already allocated. There are no investors more, because we have certain limited places. So as soon as we get amount of investors there, so that's it. So we don't attract new investors. So then we have another project. So, and every time when we find new projects, we need investors, right? Most of the time, it's exactly the same investors. They just put more money, but if we don't allocate all the capital, so we try to find external investors.
Yeah, thanks, Igor. So I'll email you about that. And yeah, it was a good session. It's just very logical and structured. So thanks a lot.
Okay, I'm glad you liked. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any questions, so what I do wish you a very Merry Christmas, even if it's 1 month until then. But I presume now you're preparing all your presents to your loved ones, and you're booking your holidays. And remember, if you want holidays with a bit of insight for the future year, just come to our bootcamp. I guarantee you will love it. Okay, you will enjoy the process, you will enjoy people there, and because we're going to be in Wollongong, just 5 minutes from the beach as well, a lot of fun activities after the sessions itself. So, and I'll see you next time. Okay, guys, be good.